Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing our Skoda Fabia 5J door mirror, and in the process we'll also be removing the door trim panel. And let's get into our main demonstration. Here we have our mirror. We're going to start the process by first removing the inner door trim. We will remove the window switch with a clip remover, remove the window switch, and then unplug the cable. Next, there is a cover on the handle, the door pull handle, and whichever way you can get in between this cover and the door trim, you will need to pull it out. Be sure not to damage the door trim in the process. As you can see, it's just a slide in and slide off. And then there will be two torque screws, which I believe are T30, one at the bottom and one at the top. Next, to the bottom of the door trim, there are T10 torque screws, two of them, little ones. You will need to go ahead and remove those two torque screws as well. And after these screws, what's holding the door trim in place is clips on the inside of the door trim, which you will need to just get in between the door trim and the door panel. I just like to put some pressure onto the door trim, and as you can see, you can pull it right off. First, you'll need to pull the door trim's bottom part out, and then it's a slide on kind of exercise. So slide off upwards. So pull the bottom out towards you, and then slide the door trim up, and that will detach it from the door panel. At the end of the video, I will put another video that I've made to show you how to put the door trim back on. Now we're going to remove the door handles cable, the door open handle cable. You don't have to remove the door trim completely to remove the door mirror. If you have found this video helpful till now, please subscribe to support the channel. Now here is our door trim. You can see those white clips. Those are the ones that hold after the screws are off. And now we have access to our door mirror's screws. Remove the inner cover for the mirror, and then because it's a manual mirror, it has this control which has two T20 torques. Remove the torque screws for the door mirror control, and then there is going to be three T30 torque screws that hold the door mirror onto the door panel. And once these screws are off, it's just a matter of sliding the door mirror off the panel. This is pretty much how to remove the door mirror. If you want to watch how to put the door trim back on from another vehicle, which is roughly the same idea, please continue watching. Otherwise, we've come to the end of our video. I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.
Now, we will get white clips from the shell side, if there's any left on the shell when we remove the door trim, and put those white clips onto the door trim. So as you can see over here, there is various clips. The reason why is because they slip on, slide on onto the door trim, and you want, when putting it back on, it's easier to have them on the door trim instead of the door shell. And once you do that, here's how to perform putting on the door trim. First, you want to put the top side and slide it in downwards into the window sill, and then once that slides in, if you put the clips onto the trim side, it'll just be a push on kind of effect, and a few slaps here and there. And this is pretty much applicable to all vehicles, even though this one's from a Citroen C4 Picasso.